Welcome back to Smarter and Smarter. In today's video, we will travel in style. Would you rather luxury travel edition? Let's go. Would you rather have a private jet for life or a mega yacht for a year? Would you rather have a luxury safari in Africa or an overwater villa in Bora Bora? Would you rather have first-class flights always or five-star hotel stays forever? Would you rather have a personal chef on every trip or a personal butler on every trip? Would you rather be on a private island for a week or five-star resort for a month? Would you rather have limo rides only or helicopter rides only? Would you rather see Maldives sunrise daily or Icelandic northern lights nightly? Would you rather have a $50,000 vacation once a year or a $5,000 vacation every month? Would you rather live in a luxury treehouse or live in a penthouse in Dubai? Would you rather fly in a gold-plated jet or sail on a diamond-decked yacht? Would you rather go to Paris on a shopping spree or to Tokyo for a tech luxury tour? Would you rather sleep in an underwater suite or sleep in a glass mountain lodge? Would you rather have a private Michelin star dinner or a private beach BBQ with a chef? Would you rather have a chauffeur everywhere or a private pilot everywhere? Would you rather bathe in champagne or swim in a private crystal lagoon? Would you rather own a private ski resort or own a private tropical island? Would you rather go to a yacht party in the Mediterranean Sea or stain in an igloo in the Arctic? Would you rather have unlimited spa treatments or unlimited gourmet meals? Would you rather sleep in a palace or sleep in a castle? Would you rather go on a luxury train through Europe or have a private RV across the United States? Would you rather explore space or explore the ocean depths? Would you rather stay in a floating cabin or stay in a cliff-edge villa? Would you rather have first class forever, but no upgrades or fly economy once, and have a private jet after? Would you rather have designer luggage or unlimited luxury outfits? Would you rather travel with celebrities or travel solo with full luxury? Would you rather have no phone but full luxury or a phone but travel basic class? Would you rather only go to summer destinations or only go to winter destinations? Would you rather live in a luxury hotel forever or live in a luxury yacht forever? Would you rather never sleep in five-star hotels or never shower on private jets? Would you rather have unlimited luxury but no photos or photos only but no luxury? Would you rather stay in Bali with no Wi-Fi or stay in Paris with no phone? Would you rather stay at a rooftop pool in New York City or in an infinity pool in Santorini? Would you rather take a helicopter to every airport or have a Rolls-Royce pick you up every time? Would you rather have every trip as a surprise or plan every detail but luxury is guaranteed? Would you rather go on a trip around the world in 30 days or one country for 6 months in luxury? Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a new Would You Rather. What did you choose? Let me know your answers in the comments. And if you have a fun theme idea or a crazy Would You Rather question, drop it below.